Okay, we're here at Six Flags New England to ride Quantum Accelerator for the first time. Yeah, here we go. This is New England's first multi-launch straddle coaster.
Yep.
Here we go, first launch. Whoa. Here we go, second launch, 45 miles per hour. Woo! All right, how'd you like that?
Great.
Nice. Woo!